Hi, I'm Mark Craven from Snohomish, Washington, here at Craven Farm. And today we're going to be talking about growing mildew-free pumpkins. As you can see from here that we have mildew growing in our pumpkin patch, but sometime the end of August, first part of September, and we start seeing it. You'll notice it first of all on your nice pumpkin leaves. They'll be nice and green. You'll start seeing small spots of mildew starting on it. And pretty soon, as it matures, you'll start seeing the edges of your leaves getting browner and browner. And this is a leaf that has gotten it very bad, but basically it's stopped. And what you want to do is try to hold it off and use some horticulture oils, neem oils, early in the season, probably start in July sometime, before the mildew even starts, because basically you're trying to prevent it. Another little trick to do is try to find mildew tolerant seeds. There are some varieties out there that are tolerant and will help hold it off. So as you can see with the fields, it'll happen. Don't be concerned about it late in the season, because the pumpkins are mature, they're ready for harvest, and it's not going to harm them as it gets later in the season. So remember the trick. Start early on your horticulture oil before you see the mildew starting in your pumpkin patch, and that'll give you the longevity you need before the mildew takes over and harms it.